Welcome back to the second part. The camera shut itself down for I don't know whatever reason. As I said, there is the screw that goes back in there to simply support the guillotine support. And now the screws on the side that need to be placed back. Here's one. And then let me put a second, which should be here. When you unscrew these, before that, it would be wise to simply take a picture of their location, since I didn't do that and I'm not sure if I actually missed anyone. I know there are screws on this side, but I don't remember if they are above or below. This part can be removed, and it has two screws that keep it back, as well as the two black pieces over there, right? The two supports. Alright, so now that should be it. There is a huge screw that should be placed in here, but at the end, after you put the piece back. When you put this one back, there is one in here, one in here. These are normal sized, and there is also a huge one which I forgot where it should be, and I do have a sensation that it was there as far as I remember. Let me really check it back and see, because this piece was literally immovable. But right now that I'm putting the screw back, apparently it's still moving. Wait, this one shouldn't be the first, I bet. Alright, so if we are to look carefully at this one, it definitely has a screw over there, and there's another screw placed over there. So let me get one small screw and put it in here. Now I can simply put one in here and slowly and softly screw it in, so that this little piece doesn't move anymore. Alright, another one is needed over there, so let me put another screw in. Good thing that I have magnet based screwdrivers, so they don't fall easily. This one is to be gently placed in here, and would preferably require no pressure. Then this one should fit in perfectly. I'm not sure exactly. I think it was like this. Up till now it went in perfectly, but right now it simply wouldn't fit as well. But the motherboard itself, or well, I'm not sure how to call it exactly, it's fitting well. Let me check one last thing. Thanks to the other two screws, it's no longer moving in any way. Okay. Good. Now that these screws are put back, there are all sorts of positions that apparently seem to be having some screws. So, okay. Now the lower side, this one, this part as well, is also fixable here, and it is placed back here. It has its own places that it fits. Alright, but let me clean it first though. It needs a bit of de-dusting, I can say. And then I'll okay, so it has to be placed back in here. Let me see exactly how it is placed. Okay. Okay, so let's